Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own acrylic nails at home so that you can save your coins. If you guys want to see how I did this, stay tuned and keep watching. So first I'm going to be going in with this nail glue that I got from Nail Nails. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you guys can get everything that I've used. And I'm going to just be applying the nail glue on the tip of the nails and pressing them on, making sure that each size is perfect and applying them to all of my nails. So once the nail tips are all stuck on, I'm going to be using a nail clipper to clip all the nails down to my desired length and making sure that they look perfect. So now that I've cut all the nails down to my desired length, I'm going to be using a nail file just to file down all the nails and make sure that they are perfect, nice and straight, and make sure I get that perfect shape. So I'm just using a nail dehydrator or a nail primer just to use underneath my acrylic, and I'm applying this on my natural nails. This basically just helps your natural nails stay healthy underneath the acrylic powder and to make sure that they don't get damaged. So by applying the acrylic, I'm just dipping the acrylic liquid into the powder and I'm picking up one bead. I'm applying that one bead basically where my natural nail and the fake nail meets, and then I'm going to smooth it down and then apply a second bead. Okay, so now that I've completed my left hand, I'm going to be moving on to my right hand, which is actually a lot harder for me as I am right-handed. But guys, if it's harder to do one hand than the other, just keep practicing and working on it and you'll get there eventually. So now I'm just using a little buffer just to buff out the acrylic on my nails and make sure that I've got it nice, smooth and even. So I'm just going in again with the nail file, making sure that everything is nice and even, making sure that all the nails look exactly the same and the length is perfect just before we apply our gel polish. So now I'm just going to be applying this really pretty, it's kind of like a beigey pink shimmer color, and I'm just going to be applying this all over the nails, and then I'm going to be using my UV lamp to cure the nails for 60 seconds. So I'm just going in with another layer of the gel polish, then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then after that's done, I'm going to add my clear polish top coat. So lastly, I'm just going in with my cuticle oil. I'm just putting this all over my cuticles and massaging it into my hands. And here is the final look of my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to slay your own nails at home and how to save your coins. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.